Today I'm going to talk about eye health. Eyes are so important because if we do not have a good eyes, we cannot see properly, and trust me, our life will be really on hold because we cannot stress enough that we should take care of our eyes, because it's one of the, actually everything is important in our body, but this is the top notch important thing for our life. Because I have one patient who was young and he ended up having stroke and ended up losing his eyesight. He's able to do other things, but because he does not have the vision, so his life is literally on hold, so he cannot do a lot of stuff no matter what. So eyes are extremely important, so you need to pay attention to the eye health. Have your regular checkup done. If you're having headache, make sure you have your eyesight checked.